Hi guys, today I'm super excited. Guess what I have here? If you guess this right or you want to guess it, just comment on the chat below. But if you get it right, congratulations. If you don't know, it's okay. Continue to watch the video until the very end. So I just got this on the mail and I'm gonna unbox this and you will know what I have here today. First, I would like to thank you, my husband, for this amazing surprise. He actually got me this gift and I am super excited, and I feel that he's way more excited than I am. So I'm going to open this right now. In the end, we have this one very small package here. Let's open it. Are you ready? Ooh, it's very slim. Ta-da! Wow! Thank you so much to my dear husband. What I get this phone? It is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's go right straight to this. So I'm just gonna pull the tab here, very easy. Just pull the tab here, like so, and pull another tab here, like so. So amazing, great, straightforward, and immediately we can reveal the iPhone. Wow, that is so nice. I mean, the last time I did an unboxing, it's been a while, and I'm just super excited. Wow, it does pack some weight though. I used to have a Pro, so I mean, weight is okay for me, the size, everything is okay for me, but this is slightly a bit more heavier than the one I have. So let's get this off and reveal. Okay, cool. So you can see this still have that SIM slot, as you can see there, and similarly we have the 2 volume button, the power button here, and also the silent rocker button here. Right now, let's just turn this on. Let's turn on. There you go. Let's see how it looks like. Ooh, that's so cool. Wow, I like the presentation every single time. So let's see. It says swipe up. I'm going to choose English, and I'm just going to choose my country. Then it goes to this quick start guide. You can bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone and sign in and do the setup. Wow, that's amazing. So this part I'm going to leave to my husband to handle it because that's his forte. And I'm going to get back to this in a bit. And this pretty much wraps up today's video. And I like that they call it the dynamic island, right? This part here. Well, after we do the whole setup thing, then we get to see it in action. Until then, this is the whole entire unboxing video for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I love it. I'll take this opportunity to thank you, my dear husband, for giving me this amazing surprise. I love you so much, and I'm going to use it to the full max. Thank you for watching the video. Then, bye-bye.